So, man cavers, another day, another auction. But what did I buy this time? Oh, we shall see. Welcome to the man cave. Let the games begin. So, man cavers, what an auction today. I went, I scoured, and I made two purchases. These two boxes were put together. I paid the grand sum of £2 for both boxes. Now, there was one thing I wanted in both of these boxes. If we dig deep in here, take the old tile cutter out, I don't know what the rest of this stuff is. Ooh, a load of, look at that, there's an old load of tubes. There you go, if anyone want any new tubes, let me know. Washing machine waste. There we go, 15-watt golf ball lamps. There you go, don't know what good they are. I wanted this. I spotted this in the bottom. Now this is where I get a bit anarchy. In the 90s, I did love in-car entertainment. I did have decent sound systems in my cars. Now this, it is a Pioneer DH. Look at that, it's a DH605. Now then, or 650, 605, yes, it's a 605. So this is a Pioneer DH605 from the mid-90s. And I've just noticed something sat in there and broke the damn top of it. That weren't broke in the auction, never mind. But there, we can fix it. So there, this would have been a very, very expensive stereo in the 90s. Very good sound with pre-outs. So, this is why I bought it. And we are going to see if the damn thing works. So that's going to be a video. Because I want to put that in the camper van. And that'll be lovely. What else have we got in our box for £2? Petrol can with spoke, well that's worth £2. Ooh, do you know, I haven't got a funnel. That's a good funnel. What's in here? A horn! So in here we have a horn. Some sort of, there we go, all-weather reflex horn. 5.5 inch by 5 3/4, 8 watts, 8 ohms, made in Taiwan. There we are, we have a horn. I don't know what's in this box. Oh, there's an old fire. That's a fire thing, look, a fire alarm thing. Beep boo, beep boo, set your, oh, there we go. You pull the little chabby down and press that, tick, and that set your alarms off, look. Wow, there we go, ain't that good? So we have one of them. I don't know what we got in here. A 3-way light switch, brand new, look. And in here it seems, well, look at that bugger, there's a load of plugs. There you go. Always wanting a mains plug, look, there's a load of plugs. There's another dozen or more in there, I think. We got a 12-volt power lead for something. We have a 2-way brand new dimmer switch there, look. Couple of sockets, light fittings. Well, Christ, there's a dozen or more plugs in there. Well, I'm happy with this lot for £2. I mean, come on, £2, guys. All right, what we got here? Well, that's just that old shelf and brackets. There's an old tape gun. There's a roll of Ethernet cable. Oh my word! Whatever is in here. Shower curtain cable. Well, there you go. There's a shower curtain cable. And a back and a socket. End of that box. This looked like a load of rubbish as well. I only wanted the stereo. We have a new shower hose. There you go. We have a water thing. Is that a filter or is that one of them expansion chambers? Have no clue. A box of cable with the little cable sets. Now is this electric cable? Damned Ethernet cable again. In the bin that can go. Oh, we have a nice 30 amp socket here, look. Plug and socket. So we can make up a caravan lead. There's some commercial water sockets there for that heavy duty piping. Oh, there's a tap pipe. Some other crap. Oh, half of this will go straight in the bin. Well, there's a nearly new box of damn cable things. Half of them are spilled out in the bottom here, look. There we go. We got a load of these. I say, I got this whole lot for £2. There we go. Half of it will fill the wheelie bin up, and the other half will go in the shed. What have we got in here? Well, there's a new plug hole, look. What? All the bits of... No, I ain't. That's one of them. We got a new plug hole. There. And look what we found. We found another plug, look. Put him in our box of electrics. Here we go. An emergency stop switch. Beep, 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 beep. There we are. Well, there's some fun with that bugger, haven't we? Tick. Oh, I see. You pull the reset and on. Well, that's a good tool, and I like that. That's quite industrial. In the electrical box, what we got in here, this looks like a load of rubbish again. There's a gator off the back of a headlight. Some plastic brackets, pipe brackets. In the bin, that'll go. Oh, there's a little brass connector block. Perfect for the brass bag. No, we'll put that in the electricals and keep that. Wow, this is a lickish shower head, isn't it? Look at that bad boy. That's a streamlined shower head. There you go. We might have to keep that. That might go on the save pile. We have a gas regulator. We have several clamps, obviously for clamping a tube. There's another clamp there, obviously again for clamping something. Well, there you go. Loads and loads of door hinges off flat pack furniture. I think that's a wheelie bin job. A piece of stainless tube. That's obviously something to do with the showers. There's another one of these clips. A new radiator tap. Another new radiator tap. Another new radiator tap. These can all go in the electricals box. There you can go in our electric bag. A waste pipe. A lovely bit of wire in the electrical bag. Another plug in the electrical bag. In the electrical bag. All this stuff can go in the electrical bag, look. Which can go in the shed in case we ever need it. Now, are we ever going to need this old crap? Another plug, look. Well, there you go. Bit of copper there. A blanking plate. Yeah, a tie wrap sign. There you go. Oh, there's some... Oh, another bit for the electrical bag. So there we go. We have some stuff here. So there. This is what we got for our grand sum of £2. And a bit of waste pipe for a washing machine. I have a use for this, for the camper van. That's going to be waste pipe for the sink. So that'll save me a tenner buying it from the DIY store, won't it? So already we're £8 in profit. And I've got my stereo for nothing. Right, there we go. This is basically our £2 lot. What we get for £2. I did also buy a box of screws. They didn't come with a £2. And when I mean a box of screws, I mean a box of screws. But there, funnel, petrol can and my CD player. Happy as Larry with all of that. Excellent stuff. So there, that is what we got for our £2. So that is a quick video of my purchase. That stereo was not broken on the auction. Somebody has stood on that bugger, ain't they? That's annoyed me. But there we are. Or it could have been me dumping it in the car. Never mind. Right, we're going to call this video a day. Just want to show you just what you can get for £2 these days. Not a lot, can you? But buy this lot new from the hardware store and you'd be £120 worse off. especially for them electric light switches that I'll never use. So there you go. Never mind. Right, that's it for now. Very quick video. Like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye bye for now. Ha!